artistic activism or creative activism or artivism is an encounter between art and activism across all different types of media, performative, music, visual, for social transformation or political change. A synthesis of existing studies has shown that artistic activism has contributed to 3 types of environmental transformations.
In the last years, I, together with a team of talented young researchers, have undertaken different empirical studies that help us to see more clearly how art and environmentalism interact.
One of the projects on my case studies is the sacrifice zone Quintero Puchuncaví in Chile, where I looked into how artistic expressions enhance different relational values. For example, identity, heritage, reciprocity, and this way contribute to restoring the degraded landscape.
We work on the project shedding light on small-scale fishing in Catalonia and audiovisual analysis of prices, roles, and perspectives. Due to the huge impact that audiovisual material has on steering and shaping the public on environmental matters, that's what lead us to dive into 100 pieces created in Catalonia regarding the small-scale fishing.